Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Okay, before we start learning, first it will be good to pray. Okay, prepare and let's pray together. Enough. Next, I will be attendance and please guys, if I call your name, then you answer please and miss. Okay, uh, Aini, Anna, and Sinta. Okay, good job. Okay, class, today we will learn about various state of matter and their change. Nah, uh, I, nah, nah, uh, want us before learn. I want us in here who knows about state of matter and what are state of matter and uh, what their change state of matter. Who? Who? Please your hand. Okay, yeah, correct, yeah, correct. The state of matter is the state of matter is the physical state of matter that can change, and there are three types, namely is liquid, solid, and gases. In order for you to be better to understand the material of state of matter, next I will explain the material about state of matter and their change. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay. Wait, guys. I want share screen about the material. Nah, this is the material of state of matter. Before we learn about state of matter, we start watching a video on YouTube. Sorry, guys. I'm not skip this. Okay, this video as state of matter about solid, liquid, and gases. And gas. Next. Nah, that's the state of matter, definition of state of matter, and characteristic state of matter. Next, the material is nah uh, this material. I want I want ask you to listen objective the material. At the end of of the lesson, you should be able to one describe the three states of matter: liquid, solid, and gas. And listen objective six to give example of each of the three states of matter. And three describe six types of matter chains. Now, this is definition and characteristic. Solid. Solid has definite shape and volume. Solid has particles that are packed closely together and usually arranged in a regular pattern. Example of solid is a cup, a shirt, a book, and eraser. Next characteristic, liquid. Liquid has definite volume but has no fixed shape. Liquid has particles that can move and are in close contact. Nah, example of liquids, uh, maple syrup, shampoo, olive oil, and orange juice. Material of gas, a characteristic material of gas and characteristic of gas is has no definite volume and shape. Two, gas has particles and are widely separate. Example of gases is helium in a balloon, steam from a kettle, argon in a tank, and nitrogen in a tank. Nah, next, next, next material, the material is matter change. Number one is freeze. Freezing is the event that liquid undergoes cooling temperature so that it becomes solid. Nah, liquid into liquid into solid. Okay. Next, matter change number two is melting. Uh, melt is as opposed to freezing. Opposed to freezing. For example, is ice cubes exposed to heat will decompose back to into liquid. Nah, solid into liquid. Opposed for freezing. Okay, guys. A. Next is evaporation. Evaporation is the transformation of liquid into gas. For example, when you cooking water, then on top of the pot appears white smoke. Uh, so liquid into gas, and 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 this is white smoke. Okay. Next material of condense. Condense, when it comes into contact with cool temperature, the gas will turn into liquid. So, gas into liquid is condensed. For example, in the grass there are many water grains. This is condensed. Next is sublime. Sublime is the turning of solids into gas. For example, they use camphor in this solid into gas in camphor. Okay. For us, the last is crystallis. Crystallis is change of gas gas substance into solid. This is crystallis. For example, is snow. Okay. Okay, finished. I finished. Uh, Next, I will divide the class into two group. Okay, two group. Group A and group B. Group. Next, I will share student worksheet to work on with your group discussion. Okay, white guys. Before having a discussion, I will explain the rules for work to student worksheet. Okay. Nah, so each group works on student worksheet according to the specific material, and each group member must participate in working on student worksheet. Okay, this this is a student worksheet for group A. This is the rules. You must read this. Uh, I I will share a student worksheet. This student worksheet on group WhatsApp. Okay, and this student worksheet for group B. Before you work student worksheet, you must this name and class. Okay, don't forget, guys. This is rules, and you work student worksheet in in a line. Okay. Uh, oh yeah. Between students, helping and cooperating with each other, with it friends group discussion. Okay, after finish, each group presentation the result of the discussion. Okay, uh, I I stop share, and you going to work student worksheet. Okay, if you have any question, please ask to me, guys. Have any question? Please ask to me, yeah. Your discussion time is less 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, stop, finish. I want group, I want to group B come to presentation the result of the discussion. Okay, thank you guys for confirming the result of the discussion, and all the and I'll answer the corrects. Good job. Uh, next, inclusion. In conclusion, the set of matter is that there are three types, namely a solid, liquid, and gas. Next conclusion is the conclusion for matter chain is that there are 6 types, namely is freezing, melting, evaporate, condense, sublimate, and crystallizing. Okay, finish, yeah. We have our we have finished our lesson today, and before closing in our lesson, we should to pray, and pray begins. Enough. Okay, see you next week, guys. Bye bye.